In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a view in Airtable. A view is simply a way of looking at the same data in different formats. It doesn't change the records themselves, it just changes how they're organized and displayed. This is incredibly useful when you're collaborating with others, building reports, or just trying to stay organized. First, start on your Airtable home screen. This is where you see all of your bases. Go ahead and click on the base where you want to create the new view. Make sure you're in the right table inside that base as well, because views are specific to each table. Once the base opens, you'll see your existing records and whatever default view is currently selected. Next, you want to access the View menu. Look towards the top left of the screen, where you see the current view name, such as Grid or another label you might have. Next to that name, there's usually a small drop-down arrow or sometimes a 3-line hamburger icon. Click that to open the Views sidebar if it isn't already visible. This sidebar is where you'll manage all your views for this table. Now, within that sidebar, look for the option to start a new view. You should see a Create New button or a section labeled Create. Click on that. This is the starting point for setting up your new view and deciding how you want to see your data. Airtable will now ask you what type of view you want to create. Here's a quick rundown to help you choose. Grid is the classic spreadsheet-like layout and is great for general data entry and editing. Calendar is best if you're working with dates, like deadlines or event schedules, and want to see everything laid out over time. Kanban organizes records into stacks of cards, which is helpful for workflows like task stages. Gallery shows your records as larger cards, perfect when you have images or want a more visual layout. Form lets you create a form that others can fill out to add new records into the table. Choose the option that best matches how you plan to use the view. Once you've picked a type, give your view a clear, descriptive name. For example, Content Calendar, Team Tasks, or Client Submissions. A good name makes it easier for you and your teammates to understand what the view is for at a glance. Next, set the view's permissions style. If you choose a collaborative view, anyone with access to the base can adjust things like filters, sorting, and hidden fields. This is ideal when a team is actively working together. A personal view means only you can change how the view is set up, although others may still be able to see it depending on their access. This is useful when you want your own customized setup without affecting anyone else. A locked view prevents structural changes for everyone, including you. It's great for shared reports or dashboards where you don't want someone accidentally changing filters or layouts. Finally, once you're happy with your choices, click the button to create the new view. Airtable will open it right away so you can start customizing filters, sorts, groupings, and hidden fields to match your workflow. And that's it. You've created a new view in Airtable and are ready to tailor it to exactly how you like to work.